Alright. There you go.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
Pablo, you crazy for this one.
They don't quite get the concept of we're being bougie. This is a bougie trip. Everybody just bougie, you know. Yeah. Bougie. He ain't do it but bougie. My cousin just put y'all up on game. What's that?
Ain't bougie, it's broke.
Period. And this ain't that. We done finally made it in, but we had to park on the street because the girl in the red jogging suit with them big ass braids, she ain't let nobody in, so we had to make do with what we had. So we parked on the street like over there, and we just walked in or whatever. So, but still, as you see, ain't no parking. Traffic bagged up.
Nigga won't smoke, I'ma hand it to him. I got you in the coat with extended tubes. Hundreds and fees when I'm getting to. Diamonds, they shine with no camcorder. Shit, I'm on here across the border. Got this bitch on my side, so I had to spoil her. If a nigga won't smoke, I'ma hand it to him. I got you in the coat with extended tubes. Hundreds and fees when I'm getting to. These niggas, they don't want no drama with me. I got 30 poking up coming out to see me. I got G in the cut and he off the Henny. Roll me up one, got me on the ceiling. It got me so high, yeah, a perfect feeling. I'm fucking this bitch legs in the ceiling. Yeah. I'm beating the bitch back out. Yeah, let bridge it to that nigga, bring that bag out. Cash out. I got this shit off the muscle. I'ma just smoke me some buff, let it burn like it's Usher. If I say fuck you, it's fuck you. I'm with the gang, so you know we don't trust you. I'm over none of you niggas. You niggas is bitches, and most of all undercover. Yeah. Diamond, they shine with no camcorder. Got the plug ship from off here across the border. Got his bitch on my side, so I had to spoil her. If a nigga won't smoke, I'ma hand it to him. I got you in the coat with extended tubes. Hundreds and fees when I'm getting to. Diamonds, they shine with no camcorder. Got the plug ship from off here across the border. Got this bitch on my side, so I had to spoil her. If a nigga won't smoke, I'ma hand it to him. I got you in the coat with extended tubes. Hundreds and fees when I'm getting to.
Smoking no sour, fucked on your bitch for an hour. I want the money and power. Capping and flexing like you with the shit, but I know you a bitch and I know you a coward. I'm going up and your bitch going down. Diamonds so wet, I might need me a towel. I'm in your city, I'm full of that loud. Reefer so strong, it feel like I'm in clouds. Got your bitch on the way with a camcorder. That pussy so wet, it feel like some water. I'll fuck on your mama, might fuck your daughter. Keep that rocket, might pop you like Otto Porter. Shit on them niggas, I tell them excuse me. Fuck on that bitch, I can't love her, she bougie. She saw my dick in the car on the perk. Bustin' them out, now she call me Lil Uzi.
Diamond, they shine with no camcorder. Got the plug ship from off here across the border. Got his bitch on my side, so I had to spoil her. If a nigga won't smoke, I'ma hand it to him. I got you in the coat with extended tubes. Hundreds and fees when I'm getting to. Diamonds, they shine with no camcorder. Got the plug ship from off here across the border. Got this bitch on my side, so I had to spoil her. If a nigga won't smoke, I'ma hand it to him. I got you in the coat with extended tubes. Hundreds and fees when I'm getting to.
Beach.
have fun. Let's have fun. Have fun. Let's have fun. Yeah. Let's have fun. 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 Try one time, girl, I turn. Let's have fun. For the cat, cut on. Have fun. For the cat, sound on my drink. Have fun. It's me and the crew, her and her friends, and they all got some too. Smoke out my feelings, let the vibes touch the roof. It's me and you, we like Dora and Boots. Travel the world, see diamonds and pearls. Drinking this hand to the point where I hurl. Wrestling. Pussy so ooh, but my gun it go out. Need my money ASAP, man, I'm now or later. I'm chillin' in bed, she wanna come activate her. Give her back shots like we playin' beer pong. And I know this her song. She had her favorite clothes on, and she hitting at the bone. What the fuck the yesterday, but that's the type of shit that I'm on. Take my time to conquer it, so please just play 2 more songs. Ain't no more contemplating, I done waited too long. I've been faded too long. Keep on drinking, come on. Numb my pain with the rage, and use her face to come on. Baby, take me away, where this carpet come from. I'm exploring all in the way. I'm the one she so far. For the cow, man, the nice stuff on. Try to want to taste his stuff on. My nigga wanna cool, so he start one. She ran out of tree, so I got one. So the black time got the back door. Baby, I'ma show you what I'm mad for. She's so goddamn cute. Man, I hate she's so small. It's me and the crew. Her and her friends, and they all got some too. Smoke out my feelings, let the vibes touch the roof. It's me and you, like Dora and Boots. Travel the world, see diamonds and pearls. Drinking this in to the point where I hurt. Wrestling in bed, the fuck up my curls. That pussy so ooh, but my gun it go out.
Let's record that. Pick that shit up next. Double up, then I sip. Cop a peat, then I flip. I just emptied out the stash, then I down another fill. I'm just flexing with my wrist.
Me, my mama, and my cousin, we done ended up in Buckhead. This a McLaren, bro. Spinning, sliding in our own, with our own little group. You hear me? Our folk.
Huh? Yeah. Huh, yeah. Turn it and then, just keep control of it. Hold on, wait. I'm about to get your burnout started, so.
Listen with your bitch, huh? Swear that we don't let niggas swear that we with shits. Double up, then I sip. Count a beat, then I flip. I just emptied out the stash, then I down another fill. I'm just flexing with my wrist, huh? Flexing with your bitch, huh? Swear that we don't lie, niggas swear that we with shits. Got a new whip and the bitch came with it. Now that she with me, she acting sedity. Invited her friends cause they wanna kick it. Can't trust a hoe, so now I ain't with it. Give me a pen, I swear I'm gon' flip it. Give you a pen, you just babysit it. Chill with your bitch, I see that you trippin'. Coming at me like I made a decision. No, we can't hang with the weak, huh?
It's tight, you heard me. Ooh, you gonna make me pee on myself?
We burning out in the streets. It ain't no hard with keys. She said, "Bummer, you need." Scurry fast, no they can't get in front of me. Get in the bag, catch me hanging with hunters. Be talking shit, but I'm sitting so comfortably. Middleman got some shit you can run for me, run for me. I do not like no new company. Nigga get shot if he come for me, huh? Bummer. Niggas be acting too bubbly. None of these niggas in front of me. I'm going places you wanna be. Niggas can stop making fun of me. Niggas can't roll with me, huh? Say I'm too cocky, so they try to deal with me. Sip, cup of pee, then I flip. I just emptied out the stash, then I done another flip. I'm just blessing with my wrist, blessing with your bitch. Swear that we don't let niggas swear that we with shits.
But all in all, it ended up being a great meet. SRT Bree is a cool person. I'm gonna insert our picture right here. But like I said, it was a great meet. We, you know, even after the meet, we met up with street runners. We met up with Changing Lanes, I think that's the name, but they from Memphis. Me, Pikachu, and the Bree Chronicles. We linked up, we slid our cars. But like I said, you know, ACL trip was a success. Had so much fun. It's all about living your life, having as much fun as you can, because you can be gone tomorrow. So, boom. Alright, y'all. The game. We about to
What was you gonna do? Your purge thing on the TV?
I'm gonna use Malik. Oh yeah, I can use the TV. Yeah, but y'all, we finna do our, of course, our Nerf gun fight. This time instead of Ken, we got my cousin Gary on.
I'll put a key here.
Up, then I sip, cup of pee, then I flip. I just emptied out the stash, then I down another fill. I'm just flexing with my wrist, flexing with your bitch, Swear that we don't let niggas swear that we with shits. Can't be a gangster and bro, run up on me, little nigga Joe. You fell in love with a hoe, don't know about you, but I stick to the code. You can't be a gangster and bro, you up in the pole, then duck when you choke. Keeping the O with the pole, give you a choice when they come to the smoke. You can't be a gangster and bro, run up on me, little nigga Joe. You fell in love with a hoe, don't know about you, but I stick to the code. You can't be a gangster and bro, you up in the pole, then duck when you choke. Keeping the O with the pole, give you a choice when they come to the smoke. Y'all niggas gangsta and broke, I pull out that money she stole. Up in the pole, yeah we can see that he bro. They smoking on blunts but never want smoke. I'ma just come with the heater, nigga get mad at hit big cause I beat her. Fuck her 2 times but no I won't eat her. She sucking my dick while I'm kicking my feet up. Eli Bummer, give her that dick and I bomb her. And that's on my mama, fuck her I get to the commas. Fuck all that drama, giving her back I don't want her. I'm hot as a sauna. This ain't the smoke you want, little nigga. Go raise the price on your hoe, then flip the damn bruh, your hoe look familiar. Treat your bitch just like this, so I reeled her. Don't fuck for free, she shot that I build her. TLK, yeah, I hang with some killers. She sucking on my ding ding ding, blowing on my phone, let it rain rain rain. Scrap gon' sing sing sing, smoking with a bad little ting ting ting. You can't be a gangster and bro.
When the purge concludes, blessed be.
Bye-bye.
Y'all, I done injured myself. Good morning. It's unfortunately time to head back to Memphis. I've enjoyed my trip. I've enjoyed my stay here, my Airbnb. Hey, I haven't had a lot of fun like this, but if you enjoyed this very, very long YouTube video, like, comment, share, and subscribe.